Hello, namaskaram. Welcome to my channel Pranic Food of Saradha. Today I am going to prepare something special for you. It's a plant which I have discovered in my garden. It is called Sorrel, and in French we call it oseille. A plant which is very much used in French cuisine. So I tried many dishes with that, and the best which I found is a fried rice with sorrel. It is just awesome. The taste is like tamarind rice. So I'm going to prepare that for you, this special sorrel fried rice for you. And I am going to show you this sorrel which is growing in my garden. So let's go and pick the sorrel. Here are the sorrel. So for preparation, we are going to take the leaves and remove the stem from the leaves. I have taken 1 cup of rice soaked in 1.5 cup of water. It must be soaked for 30 minutes. For the fried sorrel rice, apart from the rice and the sorrel, we will need a few ingredients: mustard seed, cumin, salt, urid dal, a little of chili, and oil. So for the fried sorrel rice, we will need some oil, urid dal, mustard seed, cumin seed, and 1 or 2 chilies if needed. So when the oil is hot, the ingredients will get a little fried, and you will observe that the urid dal will become a little brownish. Once the urid dal is turning brown, we add the sorrel leaves. And we add some salt, which will help the cooking. After 5 minutes of cooking, the sorrel is well cooked, and now we can pour the rice, the cooked rice, in it and mix it. So once you have mixed the rice well with the sorrel and the spices, it is done, and you can put off the stove. The fried sorrel rice is ready to be served. So here is the fried rice with the sorrel. It's very healthy, very pranic. You have to try it. And this is another way of preparing some rice, and even the taste will be different. And in this pandemic period, it is so important to have some healthy food, some natural food. So I hope you will try it at home. And if you like my recipe, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, please comment below. Thank you.